Good morning, class. Today we're going to practice writing paragraphs. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. Now, what is a paragraph exactly? Well, a paragraph begins with a topic sentence. Well, most importantly, a paragraph is a collection of sentences that are all about the same thing. Every sentence in that paragraph is a bit about the same thing. It starts with a topic sentence, which we looked at earlier, and we're going to look at again here. Answers questions like where, what, when, includes details, and it can prove or explain or describe something. That's what a paragraph is, and that's what we're going to practice today. A couple things we want to practice when we're writing a paragraph is we want to indent. That means the first sentence of your paragraph, we create a little space. It's usually about 5-letter spaces. So kind of imagine the word happy. If you were to write that word, it would have about that much space, about a word's worth of space at the beginning that you leave with no words, and we'll look at what that looks like in a moment as well. And the rest of the paragraph should be lined up with, there's usually a little red line on the side of your page here, and that's where your paragraph should start, and you'll have a little indent at the beginning. We'll practice that in a moment here. And of course, we want to start with the topic sentence at the beginning of our paragraph. It tells what the paragraph is about. It says the main idea of the paragraph. And so let's go ahead and practice that. So in order to write our topic sentence, first let's read our notes and look for a word or idea that connects them. That's the main idea, and that is what we'll use to write our topic sentence. So I'm going to look at my notes here. So I'm writing about the animal sloth. Its scientific name is Folivora, which I bet means something to do with leaves. And I'm going to start with physical characteristics. What does my animal look like? So my paragraph is going to answer that question. Well, let's see here. Sloths are furry. They are 2 feet long. They are 9 pounds. Let's see, 2 feet. So that's pretty small. 9 pounds. They're like a little gallon of milk. That's about how big they are. Moss grows on their fur, and they have 3 toes or claws. These are facts that I collected from my source. So they're furry and they're small and they're mossy. What's an idea that connects all of those? When I think of something that's furry and small and mossy, I think of something that is cute and well camouflaged, or cute and can hide in the forest. That's what connects those words for me. So that's what I'm going to write for my topic sentence. So how do I start my paragraph? Well, like I said earlier, imagine you're going to start with 5 spaces at the beginning of your paragraph. We call that the indent. So again, like I said, the word happy, that has 5 letters. That's about how much space we're going to leave at the beginning of our paragraph. And my topic sentence was sloths are small, cute animals. So when I read these facts, the thing that connected these words and these facts for me is that they're small and they're cute. They could probably hide in the forest well. Maybe I'll get to that part later. But for now, I just want to describe what those facts tell me. Sloths are small, cute animals. It could be an opinion. Your topic sentence doesn't have to be fact. It doesn't have to be a fact, but now we're going to support that with facts. So what facts support that claim or this idea, this topic sentence that I started with? Well, now I'm going to write my facts. They're small, cute animals. They're furry and they're 2 feet long. Furry. Okay, well, furry, the word furry is not a sentence. I'm going to just turn this into a sentence. So writers are always trying to stretch their thinking. How can I stretch this with a complete sentence? What details can I add? A writer is also thinking about what adjectives can I use to add more color, to make it more fun to read. Sloths are small, cute animals. They are covered in fur. We'll say thick fur. We'll say thick brown fur. When someone is reading your paragraph, you want them to be able to imagine in their mind's eye, it's like their imagination, what it is that you are writing. If your writing can't help somebody see it, or maybe even draw it, then maybe you need to add some more details. They are covered in thick brown fur. They are only, let's see, they only weigh about 9 pounds. They only weigh about 9 pounds. And they are 2 feet long. Super cute. Usually when we're writing smaller words like this, we write out the whole number. We don't just write a number. So I'm going to do that. Say 9 pounds. And they're 2 feet long. Okay. And they have 3 toes on each foot. So I'm writing down each fact that I collected, but I'm forming sentences. I'm writing my own words because those were just small little facts. Those aren't real sentences. So I'm stretching them out and connecting them with connecting words. Let's see here. So I might say they hang onto branches. With 3 toes on each foot. And last but not least, maybe they hide well because they grow moss in their fur. I'll just pause here for now. So this is how we write a paragraph. Notice again, let's just notice a couple things. We start with an indent about 5 letters long, or if you can kind of imagine, if you place your thumb at the beginning of a paragraph, it's 1 or 2 thumbs wide. We start with a topic sentence, and to make our topic sentence, we first read our facts and think about what are connecting words or ideas. Then we turn our facts that we from our notes into sentences that support this topic sentence at the beginning. That is a paragraph. Now, before I begin my next paragraph, to make it easy to read, I'm actually going to leave an empty space. This space will be blank. And I'll start my next paragraph here. So if I get rid of that, that's what this will look like. It's going to have a space between each paragraph, and I'm going to indent again when I start my new paragraph. That is how we write paragraphs and how you're going to write your rough draft about your species. Cannot wait to see the work that you do. Have fun with this. Writing can be one of the greatest joys, especially when we break it down into small pieces and kind of build our writing up that way. So have fun with this, and I look forward to seeing your work, and please let me know if you have any questions. Take care.